Hi, I'm Elwood, and this is another action lighting video. Today, we're talking cabochons, and we're going to be talking about the LED bulbs that can go inside them. So, if you caught my last few videos, in part 1, we talked about all the different shapes and sizes of cabochon fixtures. Part 2, we talked about all the incandescent bulbs that you can use in them and why we would choose incandescent over LED. Today, we're finally here. We're going to be talking about LED bulbs. And I'm going to be talking about two styles mainly today. I'm going to be talking about a double T, and I'm also going to be talking about a T5. So, totally different shapes. Same base size like I've talked about. These are the E14. So this one has 16 LEDs, 12 on top, 4 on the bottom. This guy has 5. All right, let's get into it. So right now, just so you know, I have these on a dimmer and I have them turned down almost as low as I can go, just trying to capture the different tonation in the light. In the front here, I have some warm white set up. As you can see, they put out a nice warm light, really close to incandescent. These are what I would choose for any kind of bridal event. Anytime you're looking for the antique glow of incandescent, these would be the bulbs to choose. If you're looking to grab attention, maybe you're doing a corporate event or you're going to use these in a sign, for example, the cool white, I think, might be the better choice because it's so bright. It's a lot more eye-catching. Like I said, these guys are putting out 12 LEDs up, but also they're putting light down also. I'm going to turn them up a little bit so you guys can see the better effect of these. But I'm hoping in the video that you can see this pattern that these light bulbs put out on this channel. When you put that inside an open face marquee letter, it looks spectacular. Looks really different. So it's always a great choice. In a minute, I'm going to change these out and we're going to put the T5s in there and I'm going to show you what those look like in the warm white and cool white. And also I'm going to do a little comparison on these, but let me show you how bright these are right now too. I'm going to take them up to full blast. So there they are at their brightest. These put out tons of light, 16 LEDs. These are also Chameleon fixtures. Chameleon is a widely recognized brand in the amusement industry. We sell these bulbs all over the place on carnival rides. So we love our partnership with Chameleon. So wanted to make sure to point that out also. All right, I'll be back in a second. All right, I'm back. All right. I got these now in. Like I said, these are our T5. These have 5 LEDs in there, and I got these plugged in. Right off the bat, I got to point this out to you. You can see the great color difference between the cool white and the warm white. I also have the dimmer on up all the way. Okay, so, you know, if you're looking for a little subdued light, maybe, this T5 is a better choice. Or if there's some kind of budget constraints with the wedding or the event, you could go with these. But as you can see, the cool white light, the warm white. These only have the 5 LEDs pointing up. So as you can see, you don't get that great effect that I was showing before. These are still a great bulb. Awesome to use anytime you have that application or you're looking to save some money. I'll dim these a little bit for you guys just to show you. They're definitely dimmable, especially when you're using an action lighting dimmer here. We have these made in the USA for us, which is really important because they are dependable. And when you're doing parties and events, you got to make sure you're using dependable stuff. So, all right, hey, that's about it that I have for the cool white and warm white in the LEDs. Let me just cover a few more things. We do sell these in a whole bunch of different voltages, but today I only was talking about 120. They are available in 24 and 60. So you can check that out online on our website at actionlighting.com. If you have any questions, go ahead, shoot me an email at elwood@actionlighting.com or give us a call at 800-248-0076. And remember, do me a favor, if you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching this on Facebook, give me a like, leave a comment. Let me know what I could do better. But most importantly, I really appreciate you tuning in. So thanks for your time. Thanks for your business.